Like my mentor said, Jim Rohn, maybe you know him, maybe not, you should listen to him. He's got great content. One of the best motivational speakers ever said, happiness is not something that you postpone for the future. It's something you design for the now. And nothing is more true than that quote by that man. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future. It's something you design for the now. Let me explain it real quickly. And by the way, Michael Ing here, your coach, reality creation coach, however you want to call it, your success coach, your life coach. Basically, a guy is going to give you the inspiration, motivation, and the information so you can use the power of your mind, you can use the power of the universe, using the law of attraction to create the reality, the world that you want. Okay, with that said, let me explain the concept. Let me explain the quote, what Jim Rohn meant and why it's true. So, happiness is not something you design for the future. So, basically, if you are waiting for something outside of you to make you happy, then you will never be consistently happy. You will be dependent on somebody else or something to be happy, and that's a recipe for failure. Why? Because people change, circumstances change, your world changes, right? Different events take place, and when you put your happiness dependent on those things outside, then you're a slave to your outer world. Your outer world influences your internal happiness. And maybe even bigger mistake is that if you put the importance on the outer world, you're dependent on the outer world to be happy, then you will never manifest the things that you want. Because the universe, the law of attraction, responds to your personal vibration, your energy, right? And what is energy? Your emotion is energy. Emotion is emotion, energy in motion. So the energy you put out, the vibration you put out, is what's gonna attract to you the things that you put out, the energy that you put out. And if you are depending on something else outside of you to be happy, then you're never going to attract the thing, because you are feeling the lack of it, right? Basically, think of it as this. So you are basically looking at your external world, and you're letting that external world dictate how you feel, and how you feel sends the signal out to the universe. The law of attraction says, okay, you don't have money, you have a lack of money, that's what you're seeing, that's what you're feeling, that's the signal you're sending out. The law of attraction says, okay, you don't have money, and the same thing keeps going, because that's the signal you're sending out, depending on your external environment to be happy. But now, if you start designing your happiness for now, then shifts in your reality and in your happiness, fulfillment levels will start to happen. Listen, anything we want is for the emotional reward. So listen to this. Basically, might sound counterproductive. I know I've been there, but in order to get the things you want in life, you have to be happy. You have to feel good. Not suffer. Not think that man, if I feel enough pain, I will be motivated to do it. If I feel the lack of it, I will be motivated to do it. I'll be motivated to work hard. Let me tell you something. Work hard is a bullshit concept. Remember that. Working hard is bullshit. Bullshit. I'm not saying you don't have to work, but working hard, bullshit. So if you start being happy now, which you can do very easily. One thing is gratitude. Second thing is meditation. Third thing is visualization of the future that you want, living in that future and just letting yourself experience it. Already 3 things for you. Start with gratitude. 5 things every morning like I'm doing. Works like magic. Of course, there are other things that I couple with those. For example, meditation. But gotta start somewhere. Maybe you have some exercises going on. Great. Keep going. See how you can improve. How you can get the feeling going even more. How you can feel even better. So design the happiness. Your happiness for the now. Because what do you actually need to be happy? You don't need anything from the external environment. Right? You probably have your needs met. Maybe you don't. Maybe you don't. If you don't have, okay, I understand. I haven't been in that situation. I don't know, how to cope with that. I haven't dealt with it, so I'm not gonna comment on that. But still, the law of attraction is working for you. It's responding to your vibration. If you're sending out the vibration of lack, if you're observing your reality, seeing the lack, feeling the lack, then you're gonna get lack of money, of abundance from the universe. Law of attraction is not your mother. It doesn't care. It's neutral. It's just observing what vibration you're sending out, right? What thoughts you're thinking, what emotions you're feeling. That's it. So, in order to get what you want, feel happy now. Happiness is not something you're gonna feel in the future. Happiness is what you have to feel now. That's when you become free. That's when you're just happy, man. Like, you don't need anything. You're not chasing anything. And that's when things start coming. But the main thing is you're happy, man. Isn't that what it's about? Being happy. Happy and fulfilled, enjoying life, man. Being grateful. Appreciative of everything that you have. So that's my message. And with that, I conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, and if you want more videos that are valuable like that, subscribe to this channel. If you want notification every time I upload a video, hit the notification bell, and help me out. Give me some feedback. If you liked it, let me know. Let me know what you didn't like, what I can improve on, and just let me know so I can improve and make even better videos next time. Get the message across, be more clear about my message, whatever it is, just let me know. And of course, if you liked the video, if it gave you value, feel free to, I already said subscribe, feel free to like the video. And if you didn't like, feel free to dislike the video. But I strongly advise that you like the video. Okay? Okay, I'm just kidding. So, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got value. And that's it. Don't wait to be happy. You can be happy now. And if you're happy now, even better things start coming to you. Okay? Have a nice day. To your success. Mike Ling is out. Let's go.